Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Emilia Rahmapati. I go to SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan. Grade 12 in Social Studies 3. I want to do in English assignment, namely question and answer. Here I want to answer some questions from friends. So the subject that I don't like is mathematics because the teacher provides boring learning methods, like the teacher is too serious in explaining the learning material. This can make me bored with the learning method. Will the subject I enjoy doing are subject physical education. Physical education remains my favorite subject. I really like the physical education subject, not to be held, or you can add to my knowledge. I like the Penjaskes subject because it means we will have time to play for 1 hour of lessons. Physical education is also a subject that really learns of, but they, unlike other subjects, we have to sit in class. Keeping physical education material is more practical. Sport teachers are also slightly more fun. They like to joke. There is no praise at all fed by the student. Therefore, there is no reason not to like the physical education subject. So the most memorable activity, in my opinion, in the hiking activity. This hiking activity is an annual activity at my school, which is usually held on the 27th of April. In my opinion, this activity is very exciting and trains the quick of class members and brings students closer to nature. So there are two extracurricular activities that I participate in, namely volleyball extracurricular activity. So I really like to play volleyball because I think volley is a very active and very enjoyable sport, because this sport is more about training physical to stay healthy and fit. The reason I was interested in entering Tarakan One State Senior High School was because the school was an excellent school in the city of Tarakan, and the distance from the school to my place of residence was not too far. My favorite teacher at school is Pak Purwadi, a teacher who teaches Islamic religious subject, which I really like because he always teach us about responsibility in discipline. What I like most when studying with this father, he always tell us to competition in seeking knowledge. For example, when there is a text, this father always give a sportive value. Pak Purwadi was my class teacher at the time of the 11th grade. Pak Purwadi was the type of the teacher who was disciplined, honest, and responsible. While studying, Pak Purwadi always say that we should not be afraid, because in learning there is something normal about right or wrong. This is why he is my favorite teacher. The place that I like or impress me the most is on the side star of the comparative where I hang out with my friends during breaks, X jokes on logs. The mischief I ever did in school was never skipping subject. When my friends invite me to go at eat the covered and walk on the school from the fifth floor to the top floor. My favorite food at school is chicken soup. I really like this food because it is delicious. My favorite drink at school is Ultramilk or milk. I really like that drink. Yes, I was very satisfied while studying at SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan because I really feel comfortable and the teachers are friendly and keen, and the school facilities are very educated so that it makes me feel satisfaction and comfort while studying at SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan. The presentation that I have ever acted was when we created a futsal group for class meeting papers where the school held a futsal competition between class at school. From 10th grade to 12th grade, my class was awarded the top score on entered in the top 4. That's the achievement I've ever got. The activity that impressed me the most was during class meeting, where at that time there were many festive activities or competition, such as futsal, handball, and others, where it was the competition with the most enthusiasts and followers who participate in the whole class. That's the most memorable activity for me. That's several question and answer sessions that I read less and more. Please forgive me. I thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.